Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something a reader named Steven shot me down from the, Blaine? Don't you live in Blaine? I think it's Blaine. Yeah, Blaine. That's up north of here. You gotta go through Blaine to get to Canada. Anyways, he noticed I've never had these and I was fascinated by them. These are Viet Cuisine Asian-style instant noodle with mushroom, and these are made by a company that you probably will have heard of if you're familiar with Vietnamese varieties. Vifon Viet. So, let's crack her open and see what's inside. Yeah. Actually, he sent me two, so I've already done that. On a different one. Paper. Plastic tray. So, I'm not going to use the plastic tray. And I know that's not to the chagrin of many of you, but I don't care. I like my fingers just the way they are. Included fork. And oil and vegetables. Retort pouch. It says it's a retort pouch with, what do you call them? Mushrooms. You like mushrooms? I generally hate mushrooms, so hopefully this will be something that's alright with me. So we got boiling hot water. We got this noodle block. And dumping in the noodles and the vegetables. I had one recently where I did that, like whacking it back and forth. It was a powder sachet and it got all over the place. You may have been watching that. No, that was something else. That was something else. So here we go, all going, 3 minutes. There we go. Well, you can put a lid over it. So, yeah, it's Friday. I'm very happy that it's Friday. I spent a lot of time this week working on the top 10 spicy list, the 2020 edition. So, my wife was the latest one to actually do this. And honestly, it makes sense, you know. But, so, for years, like, it would have been the Ramen Raiders top 10 spiciest instant noodles of all time, 2019 edition. But I kept getting people asking me, why isn't it the 2020 edition? Like, finally, I thought, alright, I'll submit to the whims of the public. Doesn't seem like it should be 2020 edition. It's coming out in 2019. Kind of like cars, you know. It's like the thing, you can buy the 2020 edition Honda right now. It's 2019. Well, okay. So, it's not, as of the publishing of this video, that the list isn't out yet. But I was able to play it for my wife. She said it looked pretty good. And then she was like, why is it the 2020 edition? It's 2019. I'm like, I just can't win. Maybe I should make it the 2019-2020 edition. I don't know, but then it's like, wait, so this is for 2 years? So I just can't win. I'm going to call it the 2020 edition. Lists coming out next year will be the 2021 edition, and I think we're just going to leave it at that. I can't really backpedal, because it's like if I can't come out, the first list of the year is the top 10 Korean list, right? So if next year I come out with the 2021 edition top 10 Korean instant noodles of all time, and then I decide, well, you know, this really didn't work out so well, I'm going to roll it back. So what do I do? In January of 2021, do I call it the Ramen Raiders top 10 Korean instant noodles of all time, 2021 edition. But really, this is like the 2022. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. It really doesn't matter, does it? I mean, is anybody really losing anything? I don't know. But we're gonna lose some liquid on this. Come on. Okay. So they hydrated pretty well. Okay. Let's drain them. They've got that smell. Yeah. And then we've got some oil. And then we got this big old retort pouch. I'm worried. I'm really worried about this. This could go well, or it could be like absolutely nasty. Oh, it smells like mushrooms. Oh. Yeah. Well, I haven't reviewed anything like this in a long time, so this is cool in that respect. But I don't think this is something that I'm gonna go like, hold on to your butts, people, we got a new number one. Cause yeah, it's looks like slugs. Now you might be thinking, wow, dude, you're a jerk. You know, that guy sent you some and all that, and you're saying it's horrible. It's like, no. If this is like a bottom 10, I'm like so thankful. If it's not, either way, it's something I haven't tried, and my favorite instant noodle is the one I haven't tried yet. So I appreciate. But yeah, some people are like, dude, people send you noodles and then you say they're bad. I'm like, well, they didn't make them. Sometimes they like somebody sent me a mushroom one once, and it was just like, oh, it just tasted like dried up noodles and snot. I hated it, but you know, it's like cool. I never tried it before, so I'm not gonna like everything. All right, let's give this a try. There's some mushroom there. Oh. Cheers. Yeah, I don't like that. I will say, I expected it to be much worse. The mushrooms, there's actually a varied selection. I mean, granted, it doesn't look like... Yeah, it doesn't look like that, that's for sure. If it looked like that, I would be like, wow, this is really neat looking. But it doesn't look like that. It does have, yeah, there's a variation, variety of noodles or mushrooms going on. I'm not going to say there's that wide of one. There might be some shiitake and some button and maybe some, you know, other stuff, but it's all right, you know. Okay. sprout. Spring onion. It's pretty early still. I might have to go do another review after this one. A re-review. Just cause. Definitely can use some pepper. But I don't know really what else to do. Sesame seed? No. No. If you like mushrooms, you may like this. If you like mushrooms, you might not like this. So, kind of a... I don't know what to tell you. But I will tell you this. Now it's going to rotate. All right, well, there you are. There's some noodles. Thank you very much, Stephen. I really appreciate it. I've sent him noodles before, so that was a nice reciprocation. So, yeah. All right, this has been Awesome Ramen Reader wishing you, right there, enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.